Hello friends, welcome to RBI Insights, a platform where you can explore RBI's official website rbi.org.in video format. Today we are going to cover the main functions of Reserve Bank of India. You can see the path from where the information is taken. Here main functions of RBI. So let's start with the video. फ्रेंड्स, जिस प्रकार भगवान श्री कृष्ण को हम प्यार से अलग अलग नामों से पुकारते हैं, उसी प्रकार आरबीआई को भी उसके काम करने के तरीकों से अलग अलग नाम से पहचाना जाता है। तो जो ये जो फंक्शंस है वो भी उसी तरीके से हम पढ़ेंगे। तो सबसे पहला है मॉनेटरी अथॉरिटी। आरबीआई इज ऑल्सो नोन एज द मॉनेटरी अथॉरिटी अंडर विच आरबीआई फॉर्मुलेट्स, implements and monitors the monetary policy. The objective of monetary policy is maintaining price stability while keeping in mind the objective of growth. So this monetary policy is a set of actions and measures taken by the country's central bank to control and manage the money supply, interest rates, and overall financial system to achieve specific economic objectives. Okay, to achieve this objective, RBI uses some direct and indirect instruments such as repo rate, reverse repo rate, standing deposit facility, marginal standing facility rate, liquidity adjustment facility, bank rate, SLR, then CRR. So using these instruments, RBI achieves its objective of monetary policy. Next function is RBI is also known as the regulator and supervisor of the financial system. Under this, RBI prescribes broad parameters of banking operations within which the country's banking and financial system functions. Objective of this is to maintain public confidence in the system, protect depositors' interest, and provide cost-effective banking services to the public. So friends, लोग बैंक में अपना पैसा कब रखेंगे? जब उनको बैंक पे भरोसा होगा, और लोगों का बैंक पे भरोसा बरकरार रहे, इसलिए आरबीआई बैंक और फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशंस पे अपनी नज़र रखता है. So RBI as a regulator and supervisor of financial system regulates and supervises these financial institutions and also imposes fine in case any financial institution is found not following the guidelines specified by the RBI. RBI takes various measures and implements specific guidelines on banks on time to time basis to build the confidence of public on banking system. Next is manager of foreign exchange. RBI is also known as the manager of foreign exchange, under which RBI as a manager of foreign exchange manages the Foreign Exchange Management Act 1999, whose objective is to facilitate external trade and payment and promote orderly development and maintenance of foreign exchange market in India. In India, RBI is the custodian of country's foreign exchange reserves and is vested with the responsibility of managing it. The term foreign exchange refers to the global marketplace for buying and selling currencies. As we know, India is trade deficit country, that is our import is greater than our export, and to import anything, the most widely used currency for the trading is dollar. So to import, we need to have more dollar in our foreign exchange. Besides dollar, there are other components which form the foreign reserves, that is foreign currencies including euro, Japanese yen, British pound, Chinese yuan. And second is gold. Gold is also considered as the main component of the forex reserve. Next is special drawing rights. These are of the special drawing rights of IMF. Then next is foreign assets like foreign treasury bonds, then government bonds of foreign countries, corporate bonds, etc. Central bank manages these reserves to facilitate trade and to maintain stability in the exchange rates, and as the manager of foreign exchange, RBI also takes care of the value of rupees with respect to dollar, euro and pound, because if there is maximum more fluctuation in the rupees, then this may result in our international trade also. So the next is issuer of currency. RBI is also known as the issuer of currency. RBI issues, exchanges and destroys currency notes as well as put into circulation coins minted by Government of India. Objective is to give the public adequate quantity of supplies of currency notes and coins and in good quality. In India, government is the issuing authority of coins. These coins are minted in 4 mints located in Mumbai, Noida, Kolkata and Hyderabad, and these mints are owned by Government of India. Talking about the notes, there are 4 printing presses in Devas, Nasik, Mysore and Salboni. The printing press of Devas and Nasik is owned by SPMCIL, Security Printing and Minting Corporation of India, which is fully owned company of Government of India, and the Mysore and Salboni presses are owned by Bharatiya Reserve Bank Note Mudran Private Limited, which is wholly owned subsidiary of Reserve Bank. So after printing of this currency, it is brought to RBI's regional offices having issue departments, which then transport these currency notes to currency chest, and from there this is taken by the financial institutions and banks, and from banks to the common people. Next is developmental role. RBI performs a wide range of promotional functions to support national objectives. Some of these functions are as development of the financial system. To make our financial system more efficient, RBI has encouraged establishment of main banking and non-banking institutions to cater the credit requirement of diverse sector of the economy. To promote financial inclusion, payment banks, small finance bank, banking correspondents has been introduced by RBI. Next, in the development of agriculture sector, to develop agriculture sector, RBI has established institutions like NABARD and RRBs, which cater to the requirement of agriculture sector. Next is provision of industrial finance. Rapid industrial growth is the key to faster economic development, for which special financial institutions such as ICICI Limited, IDBI Bank, SIDBI, then Exim Bank, etc. were set up by RBI, which focuses on industrial financing. Next is training institutes. Training institutes like National Institute of Bank Management, Bankers Staff College and College of Agricultural Banking CAB Pune were set up by RBI. These are just a few examples of RBI's developmental roles. So in this way RBI performs its promotional functions to support national objectives. Next function is regulator and supervisor of payment and settlement system. Under this, RBI introduces and upgrades safe and efficient mode of payment system in the country to meet the requirement of the public at large. Objective of this is to maintain public confidence in payment and settlement system. The initiatives taken by RBI focused on technology-based solutions for improvement in payment and settlement system infrastructure includes NEFT, RTGS, point of sale terminal, online transactions using credit, debit and prepaid cards issued by card payment network, then check truncation system. Next function is related functions, which include banker to the government and banker to bank. As banker to the government, the Reserve Bank receives and pays money on behalf of the various government departments. It provides ways and means advances. This is a short-term interest-bearing advance to the government to meet their temporary mismatches in their receipts and payments, like a portfolio manager. It also arranges for investment of surplus cash balances of the government. The Reserve Bank acts as an advisor to the government on monetary and banking related matters. The banking functions for the government are carried out by Government Banking Division at the offices or branches of the Reserve Bank. Then as a banker to banks, the current accounts of individual banks are being opened in eKuber, a CBS of RBI, by banking departments of the regional offices. These current accounts are also maintained for participation in centralized and decentralized payment system and are used for settling interbank obligations such as clearing transactions or clearing money market transactions between two banks, buying and selling of securities and foreign currencies. As banker to banks, the Reserve Bank provides a short-term loan and advances to select banks when necessary to facilitate lending to specific sectors and for specific purpose. So this was the functions of the RBI. Thank you friends.